Hey guys, I'm Mitch. Welcome back to my shop. So this video will be somewhat of a continuation of my last video where we did a little shop tour, a little channel update, my future in South Carolina. What we didn't go into was my lumber storage and where I keep it at, so that's kind of what we're going to do today. And then also, sadly, I'll be packing up everything tomorrow and getting it ready to go to South Carolina on our next trip. So we fly to Phoenix, watch my son graduate and get his doctorate degree in physical therapy, which we're pretty pumped up about. Then we'll come back, loading up a U-Haul and making another load up to South Carolina. So that's in the immediate future. I think my next video will be when I'm taking this shop apart. I will go over maybe some kind of a review of the little wind dust collector, show you how much I filled up that 30-gallon drum. Yeah. And then after I shut this off, I got to go cut my grass. So, update. I got the box glued up. It's so humid here, I had to use the Tyvek tape because the painter's tape wasn't cutting it. So, yeah, got it glued up. So I'm almost complete with a project. I still have to put, what's the word I'm looking for? Reinforce the miters with, what the hell, man? Inlays, I mean, it's not inlays. Why can't I think of that? It's not shims. What is it? God. You know, you put them in there at 45, you know. Can't think of it. Blank. I still got to come back, put splines in to cut the top off, make the trays, all that stuff. I was just glad to get it glued up because, I don't know, I've been screwing around with this box for about a month now and it's driving me nuts not to finish something, but you know, moving's priority. So with that being said, I got to go cut the grass before it rains, and we're going to go into the video where I left off from last time. So enjoy. Okay, so now let's go look and see where I keep some lumber at. It's on the other side in the screen porched area. I'm only allowed, okay, let me rephrase that. It's not allowed. We have so much other storage stuff going on that I only use this small footprint for the tools and the shop space, let's say. So the whole South Carolina move is going to be really, really awesome because we have an attic there. I can put stuff in the attic. I don't have to worry about some of that crap. So, yeah. So anyways, let's venture off and let's go see where I have some lumber. So all this is Purple Heart. This bottom one is 1/4 thick, 30 inches wide, about 9 foot long. That's my biggest piece I have. Most of this stuff is 6/4 and about a foot wide and about 9 foot long. All of it's about 9 foot long. So that's about my average piece. So, and then I have several pieces into this shop as well. So I have a shit ton of Purple Heart. I got a lot of Purple Heart that I use. I got a friend that had a connection. So, then over here is various species from Costa Rica. I don't know, so many of them, so many species, and I have a lot of lumber here. So I just checked with the moisture meter. The 2 top pieces are at 8%, so those are ready to go. But I'm air drying everything. So I have a friend, not had. He's still alive. He's still with us. He's still a friend. He called me up one day and we took a ride to friends of his, and they happen to own a couple 100 acres of a rainforest in Costa Rica, and whenever trees fall, they take them off the property with the government's permission. and they bring them here and they mill them. And that was really their son's operation, and so their son had passed away. And they had a yard full of just slabs and slabs and slabs of wood, and they wanted it gone, so they told my buddy, they're about to wholesale it off, so whatever you want, you just come and get. So this was one of the loads that's sitting at my house. So this will be going to South Carolina with me. I mean, I got to talk to him first and see what he wants or how he wants to handle it. But I guess they'll go to South Carolina with me, and he can come get what he wants then, or we can, come up there and take a vacation. He can make something up there with me once it's dry. The two top pieces seem to be getting there. So I guess once I get to South Carolina, I will inquire about having the kiln dry for anything, just to make sure I have bug kill going on. So anyways, this is my lumber storage.